let's talk kit. The hero might be the Sigma FP camera right here. I have an 8-cin camera cage on it, and then it's paired with the 65mm T1.5. It's the newest member of the Cine Prime family for Sigma. It's adapted from the native L mount of the FP to PL using the MC31 adapter, which is one of the cooler things about the FP, is being able to adapt that L mount to all sorts of stuff. And then, of course, the FP is one of, if not the smallest, full-frame mirrorless camera on the planet. So this is a tiny rig already, made a little bit heavier by this gorgeous Cine Prime. Well worth it. Now, you could add a matte box to the front of that. I tend to go with these screw-on ND filters when I'm trying to keep the rig compact. This is 86mm ND 0.9, so that's 3 stops ND, but I have a few of these depending on how much ND I need. In terms of powering the rig, this is very cool. This is a Titan base plate from Anton Bauer, and you can actually clip out the little tripod adapter right here, and this lasts for hours. It can power the FP and the Ninja 5 monitor, which I'll get to in a second. And you have multiple D-tap outs, USB out, and then you just charge it through one of the D-taps with a tiny little power adapter. That brings us to the Atomos Ninja 5 monitor. It's very sunny here, and having a bright monitor that's actually daylight viewable is really important for me. Now, I've added the Atomos Connect module to the back. That's really the core of the Camera 2 cloud system. Simply add an HDMI cable out of your FP into this device right here, connect to the internet, and you're off to the races, at least when it comes to Camera to cloud. Put all this together, you have a very compact little documentary filming rig.